we were overtaken by massive migration. So a lot of households, some of them has no connection, no water connection yet. And the water district is trying to mitigate it by pumping water somewhere in Calyawa, in Comunal, including Panacan. But the water that come out from is a little bit milky, and the pressure is very low. You can just imagine that until now, the Dunya Salon, Sasa has no water at night time.
Based on your previous studies na mga kinakandak nyo, how many percent of the total households of Davao City still lacks?
Well, in the urban centers, there are connections, but the problem is the water pressure. Okay? At the scale of 10, I would say, in the urban centers, particularly in my district, I would say the problem of water pressure, where water will only come out during night time, is approximately, at the scale of 10, around 5.
Half of the
four.
population
Yeah.
in second district.
Yeah. If ever there's water, there's a little bit milky. So water pressure at night times around 4. Problem of quality is around 5.5 or 6.
This is the main reason why until